Here we have a TURNPRO 7" by 12" horizontal bandsaw, 1 horsepower, 220 volt. It's a 3-speed geared head. It is unused. It's a demonstration model, so fully assembled. And we're going to power it up just to show you that it does operate. We have it on a couple different speeds here. Nice about this, you can actually change the gears on the fly. We tested the coolant pump. The coolant pump does operate. We're going to turn that off for now. And it has a hydraulic down feed. And as the head goes down, this tab right here shuts the machine off. It's in very good condition. There's a small dent right here on the coolant pan tray. And there's a little rip in the metal right there. Not a big deal. All the other functions electrically and mechanically work on here. You have an adapter here. This is for the vertical cutting plate. You can also cut vertically on this. Also comes with your instructions and parts manual. Here's your material stop. Vice operates fine. All the other controls, adjustments on here operate very nicely.